If you're tired of feeling chained to your gadgets but can't seem to break free, here's your game plan for a digital detox that supercharges your life. We're diving straight into the world of digital detoxes. First up, why unplug? It's simple. Disconnecting helps reduce stress, boost creativity, and improve your relationships. Start small. Designate 1 hour each day, tech-free, maybe during meals or right before bed. Notice any differences? You might find you're more present in the moment. Turn off, tune out, and drop into a better, more focused you. Let's reboot your life. Starting now. Unplug, recharge, and feel the difference.